eastern Douglas County in northeastern Colorado, western Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado until 2:45 p.m. At 1:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southeastern Parker, or 18 miles southeast of 5 miles an hour. Hazard. Source. Radar.
When she didn't you...
Parker, 18 miles southeast of Denver, moving northeast.
I think you just did.
This is NOAA All Hazards Radio.
In another
And you and I are on the front for veterans. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm. Oposición.
A favor de los pacientes.
Well, we're going to wrap this news. Their languages. Attacking great radar indicated. Impact damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Aurora around 2:05 p.m. Arapahoe Park around 2:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. 10 a.m. KPLS-FM.